Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, we're going to be making some Atchara salad, which is like a Filipino papaya salad. If you can check out all the ingredients for this recipe, it's gonna be down in the description below this video. But this is a really nice salad that has a nice little sweet, tangy taste to it, and you can even add some spice to it. I'm gonna show you the quick steps on how to make it, and basically we're going to be making a big batch. First step is to find some papaya that is not ripe yet, so try to find one that is green like this one right over here. So the next step is to wash the papaya and then go ahead and peel it and remove the inside of the seeds out. So after all the seeds have been removed and you peel the skin off, you can go ahead and shred it. We have this shredder right over here. Also, as we shred the papaya, we pretty much don't keep the part that's closest to where the seeds are at. 15 minutes later, this is what it looks like when we shred 3 of these medium-sized papayas. So the next step is to add salt to your papaya to help extract the moisture and water. Go ahead and toss the salt and evenly disperse it throughout the papaya. So this one we haven't tossed yet, and you can see there's no water or moisture there. This one, it hasn't even been a minute or so, and look at all that water that the salt just kind of pulled out from the papaya. So while you're waiting for your salt to soak into the papaya, you can go ahead and cut up some vegetables. Right here, we're going to be adding some raisins, some bell pepper, carrots, ginger, and some garlic. All right, so 30 minutes later, you can see all this juice on the bottom here. We're gonna go ahead and squeeze out the rest of it in this little cloth. You just repeat that process for the rest of your batch. There's the juice right over here, and squeezing out some right over there. And this is what it looks like after you squeeze it out. It's all dry. This is what it looks like after we strain out all the fluid. We're gonna go ahead and add the vegetables in there now. This variety right here. We're just gonna mix everything up. All right, so once you toss everything in there, make sure the ingredients are kind of evenly dispersed, and then you can go ahead and fill up your jars pretty much to the lip right here, because you want to leave room for the vinegar and all the other ingredients that we're going to use to give it the flavor. All right, we're going to go ahead and begin stuffing the jars. Just using some tongs. All right, as promised, I have the recipe for the spicy papaya salad, or what they call Atchara. I'll leave this also in the description below this video. But to make a batch this size, which this is a 3-cup container, you're going to add 1 cup of vinegar, 1/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup of spice vinegar, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, which we used cane sugar, and then 1/16 teaspoon of salt, 1/16 teaspoon of black pepper, and then 1/16 teaspoon of black peppercorn. So the next step is to boil some vinegar in this pot right here, and we're gonna be using this brand right here. And we're gonna do 5 cups, and then after the vinegar boils, we're gonna add some black pepper, some peppercorn, some sugar, we're using cane sugar, and some sea salt. At the very end, once this comes to a boil, we're gonna go ahead and add some of this spice vinegar for some flavor, and definitely just taste things as you go, and you can always add more of whatever you'd like. So after it's done boiling, you should have something that looks like this. Now we're just gonna transfer from the pot to this measuring cup right over here. And the reason why it's nice to have it nice and hot and boiling is because it allows it to absorb better to the papaya and the rest of the ingredients inside there. All right, here's the finished product after we add the vinegar and the spicy vinegar to it. And then we went and put the lids on, and this is what it looks like right here. And here's a close-up of what this one looks like. So we usually let this sit about room temperature before we refrigerate it, and that's pretty much it. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.